Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update on YouTube here. Also be posted to Facebook and Instagram. Um, we're going to get back on the 60 Apache here pretty quick. I'm hoping November. Been just doing a bunch of stuff, getting ready for winter, getting the shop ready to start actually doing these YouTube videos full time. The Apache is still here. It's right there. I've been messing with it here and there, but not much. I'm trying to put in a paint booth. Right there. I'm going to put a big, like a wall, I guess. And I'm going to put that fan and that fan back there. I'm going to put those in it, sucking in, blowing out, I don't know. But anyway, I've got the heater off the wall back there because of supply chain issues. I got to wait on my pipe, so it'll be here Wednesday. Wednesday it's supposed to be upper 30s, rain and snow mix, and then Thursday it's supposed to be just plain snow. So, and then Friday, I think it's supposed to be back up into the upper 40s, low 50s. So it'll probably be Friday when I put that in. Yeah, we got that going on. I built a trailer while I was off. The 57 that was sitting out there, it's gone. The styleline that was sitting over there, that's gone. I had to build a trailer and get them out of here because I got customer cars coming in. So I needed the driveway for that. Soon as that thing gets in here, I'm hoping that it's not going to be too loud for when I'm filming. We had one in an older house that we lived in, and it wasn't too bad. I may figure out some way of maybe putting it outside and just running ductwork in. I don't know about that yet. Just trying to get the shop done and start doing this seriously. The Thunderbird's still in here. See, it's right there. But thinking very seriously about just selling it and cutting my losses and moving on. It's sitting here doing nothing. It's the friend of mine gutted the whole interior out of it. I've talked to several Thunderbird enthusiasts, and they've told me the same thing, that they're not worth that much money. I bought it for $4,000. I was thinking that I would sell it for like 10 maybe, but I've talked to 2 or 3 people that had theirs here, one in Bozeman and one in Salt Lake City, and both of them said that they listed theirs for sale for over 2 years and just barely got 10 grand. And the only reason they got 10 grand was because they settled on 10 grand. And the one guy's, his was all original motor. I mean, this one is too, but it was like immaculate condition, and he sold it. He just barely got 10,000 out of it. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it and fix it, or if I'm just going to cut my losses and let somebody else worry about it, or what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, that's an update for now. Like I said, I hope to be recording back in November. So look at that. There's my daughter. Say hey, YouTube world.
Hi. Okay, you can turn back around now. It's embarrassing.
Alright, so guys, I will talk to you later, and subscribe and like and share and all that other good stuff. Thanks for watching.